Hello, and welcome to Creatables. Creatables is a web tool that allows students to add their creations on a social website that is managed by teachers and parents. I have signed up for an educator's account, so I can add my students in a class, can add creators, and I can manage my creators, which means that I can invite parents to co-manage their students' accounts. If I go here, I can search for different topics. I can add to my gallery. I can take a picture of my creation. And here I get notifications about my creations. This page is a recommended for you. We also have popular galleries, recently added galleries, and my galleries, which is currently empty as I can't add students quite yet. Here we have recent posters, recent creations, recent galleries, and recent users. And here we have all of the trending items on Creatables. A nice feature of this is that I can click here on this question mark for FAQs and tutorials. If I click on my account here, you can see that I have added one creation. On my creation, you can see 4 bubbles, which are equivalent to likes on Creatables. It opens and tells me that a parent in Indonesia liked my art, my very nice posted art. It tells you if that person is a parent, a student, and you can also add comments or creative ideas. When you're adding comments to other creations, it first needs to be approved by one of the managers of the accounts before it can be seen by students. This is both for safety and to increase confidence. Constructive criticism is absolutely welcome, but Creatables is really supposed to be a space for kids to grow in their learning and grow in their confidence about themselves. So it's very easy to add a creation and know how many people have liked it. You can share it with your family and friends on other social media platforms, which is great for students because their friends and family can see what's going on with them at school. I can also edit my post if I'd like. Something nice is that I can add whole classes of students at a time, which can be very ideal for an art class or a library. You might wonder why it is that this would be good for a library, and I can show you. If I search, I can see, if you look, you can see all the things that would often go on in a makerspace. So that means that students can show their parents and the community, as well as administrators, what it is that they're doing with their makerspace and how it's improving their education, and how Minecraft even is an educational tool. Let's look at this Scratch gallery. Here you can see what students have created as far as controllers go, as well as Scratch projects that they've coded. You can draw with Scratch as well, which makes this a really interesting tool. Students can search for other projects that kids have made in Scratch and attempt them themselves, as well as community projects can be launched. So a community project, for example, would be, if I search for, these galleries here, such as A31 Right to Play, Tweet a Dream. So this is global projects that can be worked on together, and they all have kind of a similar goal that they're trying to reach. In this gallery, we ask young people from around the world to visualize, share, and connect about their dreams for the future. So this also gives students a starting point if they don't know where to begin. This is Creatables. I hope that you've enjoyed and that you can see the value of Creatables.com.